guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is our third installment in Gatineau Park.
That's right. Next week, we'll be back to doing some more adventurous stuff. In fact, I'm super excited to show you next week's video as we cross something off our bucket list. But join us today as we hike our way along the Skyline Lookout Trail. It was quite a walk, a lot of uphills, but I think you guys are going to enjoy it.
Alright, so we have made it to our third and final trail of the day. It is the Skyline. It is the Skyline Trail, and I'm kind of excited because it's supposed to have some really nice lookout points on it.
That's right. So we switched the lens out, no more 50 mil. We got the 28 to 70, and hopefully we can get some awesome views of the city.
Yeah. Let's go.
So we've come across another big hill.
Shocking.
The lady at the visitor center, when we were talking to her, she said the only reason some of these are classified as difficult trails is because of the steep up and downs. And she wasn't kidding.
No, I will full on support that. I prefer down than up.
Yeah, my thighs are burning.
So this is where the loop begins, correct?
I believe so. All right, we have made it to our first lookout. What you see behind us is known as Watsford's Lookouts. Watsford was a war veteran who owned 100 acres at the bottom of this cliff. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to even see it on the GoPro, but you have an amazing view of the city once you get past all that tree lines.
It's beautiful.
This was definitely worth the hike up the hill.
Oh my gosh, and we haven't even made it. We haven't even started the real thing yet.
So far, I like this trail the best out of all three that we've gone on so far.
Yeah, how come?
One, it's not as busy. Two, yes, there has been some good inclines, but I think so far these hills have been the easiest.
Yeah, I would agree.
And three, I think as far as scenery goes, this has got the best one so far.
We're in a jungle. Just kidding, it's not, it's a forest. This is the narrowest path we've been on today. To be.
This is gotta be one, eh?
It would have to be. There's no way this is not. So there's no sign here, but we're thinking this has to be the second lookout. Like you can clearly see the city, and I even think the river in the background, which is kind of cool. This has to be one. We made it to another lookout. We have no idea which one this is, but this one's a good one.
This is amazing. This view is absolutely incredible.
Now this is a lookout. This is a lookout, a real one. I don't know what we were looking at before, but this is a lookout. So this trail was built during the Great Depression era for relief, and I can see why. It's absolutely gorgeous. A good getaway for everybody. So we're a little over halfway, and we're just stopping for a quick sip. All right. This side of the trail is definitely a whole lot muddier. Super. Okay, I'm gonna have to go. You made it.
Didn't slip.
You like to test me, don't you? Yeah, I could never imagine that. Ooh. Let's before I even started. Hello. You are so cute. Your little friend is long gone. Our first nature. We have just made it back to the fork in the trail. So now we're gonna go back to the main trail and head back to the car.
All right, guys, we've made it to the end of our third trail of the day here in Gatineau National Park. It's been a great day of hiking, but I'm definitely ready to sit down, get these shoes off.
I'm ready to relax.
Thanks for watching to the end of the video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye. Where's that? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. You know?